Hey everyone, if you have already watched the course trailer, then this video will give you a complete overview of what to expect from this series and exactly what you will be learning. We are going to break down each category and its subcategory one by one. The course will be divided into multiple video parts so you can rewatch any video at any point of time for more clarity. Each video will include practical examples to help you understand how this system works in real projects. We are also going to release bonus standalone videos where we build full GeoNodes setup from scratch like foliage or forest, rain or clouds, etc. These are just examples. The actual videos may be different depending on audience needs, so you have to comment down what you want to see, what system I built from scratch. So I will create an entirely dedicated video talking about that, and we will also continue updating the geometry nodes playlist, adding new videos every week to keep the content fresh and helpful. Thanks for watching. Like and share this video and subscribe to channel so you don't miss the next part.